Hey guys, it's Shannon, and today I'm here with my Boxycharm unboxing for June. So I was able to get it pretty early this month. Today is I didn't get it early, it's the 16th. I was thinking it was the 9th. Dang it! I always upload these so late. If I get them later in the month, like second or third week, not like the first week like some people. But yeah. I'm really excited. This box looks pretty awesome this month. I was going to film a unboxing. Well, it was like a live unboxing at work. I was going to do it when I was on my lunch break last Thursday. But we were super busy, so I didn't get my lunch break. So that's alright, but this month's box is the Boxycharm Getaway. I love the card. They've really been upping their game with like the looks of the cards and stuff. I'm really impressed. So, just from the looks of the card and what I can see in the box, some pretty awesome stuff this month, and I'm really, really excited to jump right into this. So, I'm going to start with this, which is the first thing I see, and it's the, let me see, Touch in Soul No Pore Bloom Prime Essence, and this retails for $23, and it says, let your makeup stay a while with your new Touch in Soul No Pore Bloom Prime Essence, infused with calendula, I can't even say that, officinolence, I think, flower extract. This primer tightens up your pores, keeping your skin silky, silky smooth. So, first of all, the packaging is super, super cute. I'm really excited to try this out. I like the little tip of it. I don't know if you guys can like really see that. I just want to feel a tiny bit. Ooh, it's clear. Interesting. It's like a gel consistency. It's really, really smooth. It smells really nice too. It's got a really light floral scent. I really like it. And it doesn't look super shiny or anything on my hand. It looks pretty, it doesn't look matte either, it just looks really natural, so really excited to try that. Yeah, it doesn't really say if it's got a like certain type of finish or anything, but yeah, I'm excited to try that. Alright, what's next? What's this pencil? Ooh, this is from Dirty Little Secret, and it's a lip liner, and this retails for $15. Smooth and creamy, this Dirty Little Secret lip liner is here to help you create the perfect pout. And this comes in the color Rosy Posy. Let me see if I can open it. I took my nails all off, so I don't know. Yep, we got it. Like a really pretty, like, pinky nude. Really like that color. I actually have a lipstick that's going to go perfectly with this color, so I'm really excited about that. I don't use lip liners very often, but I've been meaning to start because some of my lip liners have been like running and stuff, or lipsticks, sorry, not lip liners. But yeah, so the next thing I got is from Tarte, and it's the BU Naturally Eyeshadow Palette, and this retails for $36. Packed with 4 shimmer shades and 4 matte, your new Tarte BU Naturally Palette is everything you need to create endless natural looks. From the frosty cool pinks to the rich bronze and brown tones, this palette will flatter all skin tones while blending smoothly thanks to its Amazonian clay formula. So, of course, it's got the, like, what's the word I'm looking for? The traditional, I guess, purple Tarte packaging. And then this is the lid of the palette. It's got palm trees and stuff all over it. It's super, super pretty. Let me open it. Ooh. This looks super nice. These are like the shades I wear every day, so this palette's like perfect for me. They're so pretty. I want to swatch a few. Swatch a shimmer and a matte. So the gold is crystallized, I think. And then it looks like the pink one is tropical. I may have got that wrong. I find it really hard to read the circle ones. I don't know why. Ooh. That bronzy color is absolutely stunning. You can't really see the pink that well. It's really, really light. But I think you can probably build it up pretty well. Really excited to use that. Alright, and then next from Dominic Cosmetics, you have the Lemonade Lip Gloss. Add hydrating shine and fullness to your lips with the lightweight, non-sticky balm like Lemonade Lip Gloss by Dominic Cosmetics. The sheer gloss is long-lasting and flexible, so you can wear it alone or layered over your favorite lip gloss. And this retails for $17. I love the packaging. It's super, super cute and sleek. Of course, you know me. My favorite color is pink. I'm all about the pink. Oh my gosh, it smells like cake batter. Oh, it smells so good. I want to try it on my lips. Super shiny. It's pretty sheer, so you don't get like a really intense pink, which is nice. It's not sticky either. It's really, really smooth, and it's in the color Peach Tea is what it says on the top. Nice. I like it. And then the final thing is from St. Topaz. I can't speak. I'm sorry. And it's the Self-Tan Classic Bronzing Mousse. For our most iconic, natural, and healthy-looking tan, the lightweight classic mousse tailors to your individual skin tone for our longest-lasting tan in one application. And this retails for $24.50. And I've been wanting to try this tanning mousse for a long time. I see a lot of people rave about it. So I'm really, really excited to try it, especially since it's now summer. My grandma just opened her pool. I'm planning on going here some point to swim. So when we have our next family swim party, I will probably try this out. It's supposed to be streak-free, long-lasting, natural golden tan. Nice. Super excited. And it came with a glove as well, which I'm really glad about, because I sometimes do fake tans, like, I forget the one I have, something from Walmart, and I don't have a glove, so then my hands just look ratchet, because I don't have anything to protect my hands. But yeah, put a nice little glove. It's really soft. I'm excited to try this out. I don't know when I'll try it out. You guys will tell, probably, the difference, because I'm whiter than Snow White, that's for sure. But yeah, I think that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you guys liked most in your Boxycharm box if you get Boxycharm. If not, check my description box. I have a link down below that you can check out if you want to order it. It's $21 a month, and I think it is definitely worth it. You definitely get your money's worth out of the box. This is probably my favorite subscription box that I have ever tried, and I've tried quite a few. So yeah, I definitely recommend it. So I will leave a link down there. I'm not associated with them or anything. I don't get paid for doing these videos or for leaving a link. I just do it because I love the box so much and I want to share it with you guys in case you want to try it out yourselves. So I think that's it for today's video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys.